Okay guys, this is my Exmark Tri-Vantage 60-inch mower that the engine, the last owner, blew a huge hole in the back. I don't know if you can see it, but it's cracked. So what I did was I got a Predator, and installation went great except for the wiring. Okay, this one has a new modern type of connector, and the other one was this. So this is what I did. I ended up getting an adapter that fits this, and then I moved one of the pins for it to match all 6, and then basically I took the old, cut it off, and lined up for each of the parts that it went with. And you got 12 volts, you got the kill, you got the low oil pressure, and the what was the last one? Oh yeah, and then carburetor solenoid. So what I'm going to do now is I soldered it together, put some heat shrink on this one, but I just did this so you can see it, but I'm going to wrap it with electrical tape, bind it, and let's see if this makes it work, okay? I'm going to put some wire protector on it, and let's make the connections here. The one goes here. I don't know if you can see, that one's going to go there, and then the other one's going to go on the engine. So let's do that. Oh yeah. Okay, we're gonna put that right in there. Put a little electric grease on it so it just slides in easy, and then it'll come back out easy if I need it ever to. Okay, let's see. Come on, baby. We're gonna work it just a little bit. Okay, that looks good. Okay. And then this side right here, I'm gonna bring it over this right here. And then the way I lined it up, it should just slide right in and connect like that. See, and that's done. Okay, and then what I'm going to do now is we're going to check on, put some power to this thing and see if we can start it. Okay. All right, I've primed the fuel pump, and for the first start, let's go. Let's got a little bit of choke. Alright, she idled great, huh? Okay. Now we're ready to go. That's it, let's go forward. Alright, backwards. Alright, that's it. Alright, that's it. See, that engine works great, and I can't see enough, man. Alright. Take care, and thank you for subscribing.